Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane. This week, I'm making some live edge wooden dog bowl holders with industrial piping for the legs. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll keep track and follow along with whatever I make in the future. Let's get started.
To start off, I just gather all the pieces that I'll need to get started on these dog bowl holders. Some wood slabs and industrial piping, and we're ready to go. I cut these slabs down to width on the table saw. It didn't have to be perfect, so I didn't need to be precise. And here I'm just flipping over one of the dog bowls to use it as a marking template. Once I get both of these marked off with the outside edge, the inside edge is about 5/8 of an inch inset. And so I'll go back and hand sketch that so I can get a good cut line. Here I'm just drilling a hole to get my jigsaw blade enough room to work. This hole doesn't have to be perfect because it's never going to be seen. Just going over these dog bowl holders with a quick sand just to get them ready for finish. While I'm sanding these, now would be a good time to look down to the right hand corner, see my logo, and hit that subscribe button. Here I'm mixing up a 2-part tabletop epoxy. This will seal up the wood, give it a nice finish, and keep it sturdy for if a dog tries to bite it or chew on the sides. And as with most epoxy projects that I do, I mixed up a whole lot more than I needed. Here I'm just taking a propane torch just to heat out most of the excess bubbles that are left over in the epoxy. Give it a smooth finish. Now for final assembly. go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video, and leave some comments and let me know what you thought. Thanks for watching. All right. Oh, hey, just driving to church here with this dog bowl holder you guys just watching me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell, and then you'll get a notification every time I take something and flip it into something awesome. Y'all go out and enjoy your day. Go make something awesome.